Hey everyone, I'm Hadia Samreen. I'm assistant professor from the Department of Computer Science, St. Joseph's Degree and PG College. In our video lecture series, today we will be dealing with the topics generalization and specialization from the course titled Relational Database Management Systems or RDBMS. So let's get started. So, what is generalization? Generalization is the process of grouping or joining. We know from ER models, we know about entities, right? We have some entity. So, we will be joining two or more lower level entity sets to make a higher level entity set. So, that is known as generalization. On what basis? On the basis of common feature. In simple terms, we will be joining two or more entity sets and we will make it to the higher level entity set by considering common features. And it is which approach? It follows bottom up approach. Bottom up approach. Whereas on the other hand, the specialization is grouping. In generalization, we join two or more entities. But in specialization, we we divide it or we group it. That is known as subgrouping or dividing a higher level entity set into number of lower level entity set. On the basis of what? On some specific feature. So it is top-down approach. So what is the difference between generalization and specialization? We will join two or more entities based on common feature in generalization. And in specialization, we will be dividing our entity set based on some special features. And generalization is bottom-up approach and specialization follows top-down approach. So let's take an example and see what is it to understand better. So let's take this example of a person of is a relationship. Alright, so let's first see top-down approach. Person is a customer. Person is a employee. Is generalization or specialization. Top down approach is specialization. So we are saying person is a customer. That means we are giving some special lower level entity to that person. This person is a grouped higher level entity. We are dividing it into some subgrouping it into some different entities, lower level entities. That is, person is a customer. This is one specialization. Person is a employee is another specialization. All right. Whereas if we go from bottom to top, that is bottom up approach. That is known as customer is a person or employee is a person, then we are trying to join. We are joining here. We are trying to join some lower level entities to higher level entity. We are grouping it. We are joining it. So that is known as bottom up approach, and it is generalization. Customer and employee, both of them is a person. So it is generalization. Whereas if we go like top down, person is a customer or person is an employee, then it is specialization. This is the basic difference. Generalization is bottom up approach. Specialization is top down approach. Generalization means we will join it to higher level entity. Specialization means we will divide it to lower level entities. So let's see one more example for the same. Account can be checking account and an account can be saving account. So first, if we are following top down approach, then it is specialization. Account is the checking account, like special kind of account, that is checking account. If account is a saving account, it is also a special kind of some account. Then it is specialization, that is top down approach. But if we are doing bottom up approach, like checking account is a account, saving account is a account, then it is bottom up approach. That means we are joining it, the lower level entities to higher level entity. Then it is generalization, that is bottom up approach. That is it. That is the basic difference between generalization and specialization. Hope it helped. Thank you for joining.